What is a book for? Books give us the words that feed our understanding of the world. Our dreams, our hopes, our fantasies. They distance us from the noise. They give us a space to explore ourselves and our surroundings. Books transport us to different realities, to people from other times, places, or to those who live nearby, but in different ways. They also transport us to other possible worlds. Though it may turn out that these fantastic worlds are not so distant from ours. Books are written by real people who convey their values and points of view. Are the characters in the books we read similar to us? Books can give us an idealized image of ourselves, or a stereotyped image. We can read and understand books in countless ways, as many as there are people in the world. Because we also become authors as we read books and bring them into our reality.